Hello everybody and welcome to the channel of my preferred pieces. I'm Rosemary and today I have an absolutely fantastic recipe for you. I'm going to prepare a red beet and feta cheese salad. This salad is delicious, colorful and really easy to make. The combination of the red beets and the white feta cheese looks beautiful, and you will see it later on when I'm going to dress it on the plate how beautiful it is. Also, the two ingredients together is a simple and delicious way to enjoy the beets' earthy flavor and the salty feta cheese flavor. As you can see, I like to dress up for my cooking videos because I love fashion, I love beautiful clothes, and this gives me the opportunity to present you with a new outfit. Alright, let us start with the ingredients I will need for this recipe. And later on I'm going to talk about the details of my outfit. So for this recipe I will need 2 red beets, feta cheese about 150 grams, thyme, salad, nuts, olive oil, the white balsamico vinegar, crema di balsamico, some pepper and salt. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to clean the beets. If you buy beets with leaves, you have to cut off the leaves and leave the roots attached. Also, do not cut or make any holes into the skin. I have placed my beets in my pot and covered them with water. I'm going to cook them for about 45 minutes until tender. How long the beets are going to cook really depends on the size of the beets. The larger, the longer you will have to cook your beets. While the beets cook, let us talk about my outfit. Today I'm wearing a cotton blue Midi dress. I like very much the color blue because I can style it with white accessories which always look very pretty. The dress has a shirt color and my inspiration was to style it with a white striped scarf. I have added a blue-white collar belt which is quite large and accentuates the waist. I like to use belts because it makes you look slimmer and more feminine and more elegant. Now, I also like the pleated skirt. Pleats are a big trend this year. I have styled the outfit with white leather pants, beautiful white leather pants that completes the outfit. If you want to wear a handbag, this one will match perfectly. Please let me know in the comments which part of the outfit you like the most. Now the beets are cooked and I'm going to peel them, and for that I need reusable gloves because beets, red beets, stain everything. Your hands, your clothes, your cutting board. So that's why I'm going to use these gloves. You will be able to find them at the grocery shop all year round, but the primary time is between June and October. So what you have to look for when you buy beets is that the beet still has its tail, as I already said before, and choose them quite small round, firm, and with a smooth surface. I like to eat beets because I like their taste, but if you have never tasted them before, you should know that they have a natural, earthy, sweet flavor. And if we talk about the nutritional benefits, I would like to say that beets are high on fiber and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. The other thing which is interesting about beets is that you can eat them raw or cooked. And as far as cooking is concerned, you can bake them, you can roast them, you can steam them. I personally prefer them boiled. Now I'm going to prepare the dressing by mixing the crema di balsamico with the white balsamico vinegar, some oil, some thyme. This will be used for the salad, as a dressing for the salad. I'm going to cut the beets in about 1 centimeter slices, and the same we will do for the feta cheese. Okay, so we will use for that a cookie cutter to get it nicely round. I am going to use 1 slice of beet, put it on the plate, and top it with 1 slice of feta cheese, and I continue like that to build it up. Now you can see the result of putting the slices of red beets and feta cheese and stacking these up. Now we will add some salad to our beets and feta cheese, and we'll use our dressing for the salad. I have added in the dressing as well some oil. Also, what you can do, and I like to do that very much, so what the leftovers after you have cut your beets, you can put them on the salad, and this looks beautiful because it gives even more color to the plate, to the recipe. So now we are going to add our dressing and the nuts on top. Okay, some nuts. Adding the nuts to complete the recipe. You will see how beautiful it is with the white feta cheese and the red beets. Okay, I hope you liked my video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm Rosemary, and I will see you next time with some more recipes and new outfits.